Hi there, it is design time. Welcome guys in Efficient Graphic Design channel. And what we want to do today is blend fade one image into another. It's pretty simple with a mask and a brush. Like you can notice, we will merge this image here with this other one here. And of course, this is the results we will get. It is very great to show you how to do that. Let's jump in Photoshop. But before we begin, if you don't have the Adobe Photoshop installed in your machine, I place the link in the description below where you can download the last version of Photoshop for free. And if you have any problem installing the software, just leave me a comment and I will help you. To get started, let's begin with this image here. This is the second image we will use. So we'll undo and delete all the actions we had already made. We push the image into this one here. We make it as the top of the first image of the modern house. We have now two layers. When we make it off, we can see the modern house in the layer as the bottom. So we position the modern house as the top and we make the other image as the bottom, and we select here this option which is called layer mask. This technique is very interesting and we will use with it a brush tool, the brush tool. This is the brush tool. We can modify the size and the hardness of the brush tool depending with the case and the image we are working with. So we will make the size something like 115 and we will make the hardness a little bigger and we will choose the black color in the brush. And like you will see now, when we use our brush in the image, it makes the image in the bottom appears. So what happens here is, like you can see in the layer mask, we have two colors. We have the white color, which means the parts that are shown from the image, and the black colors, which means the parts that are not shown from this image, and of course they will show the background and the image at the bottom. So this is the technique we will use. And of course, if we change the color from the black to white and we use the brush, like you can see now, the image as the top is shown with the white color, like you can see. So we make the image, the parts from the image at the bottom disappear. So we'll delete this mask and we will do the same thing with a very professional way. Another time we create the mask, we change the color to black, and using the brush tool, if we use the brush tool, so you have to be careful. If we use the brush tool in the layer, it will not give us our effect we want. So we have first to select the layer mask and the black color with the brush tool. We begin our work. Like you can see these parts here appears from the image in the background, from the image, from the layer, the second layer, because we use the brush tool with the black color here. So we continue to brush the parts we want to eliminate from the image as the top, the modern house, and make the parts as the bottom to be shown. Okay, continue our brush tool using our brush tool. That's fine. So to make the results more perfect, we have now to change the color from the black to white. And we return to these parts here and we will make it like you can see. We try now to fix the parts. We see some errors in them. So we make the door look clear here. Of course, we are using now the brush tool with the white color and not the black one. Okay. That's good. And I will use now the black color to fix these parts here. I will choose the white one now to make things look professional and great. And like you can see, it is so simple and the result is very pretty and very good, very professional, perfect. Using the layer mask and the brush tool, I eliminate these parts here. And our objective is done. We have merged two images in one. Like you can see, this is the image in the background and this is the image with the layer mask. Okay. The result is so great. And of course, we blade fade one image into another using the layer mask and the brush tool. This is the layer mask, like you can see, with two colors, with two parts, one black and one white. The black one is hidden and the white one is shown from the image. Alright guys, I wish you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to get the tutorials coming up. And if you have any issues installing the software or applying the today lesson, just leave a comment and I will help you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorials.